Alright, let's get set up here. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, what's up, Sirok? What's up, Pi? You guys never left? Still here? Okay, should be back. I don't know why it keeps doing. Oh, on stream. On stream. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Okay. How do we do this? For yeah, so basically I'll have to. Let's see, right? Yeah, back. Sick. Loop through each item in the array. And then loop through each item within the nested array, and if an item let's say that is so if that is an I and if this is a J, so yeah, if that is an I and that is a J, then if J equals the if J equals LM, then remove the nested array from new array, or don't add. Remove slash don't add. Yeah, remove slash don't add the new. Add the nested array into. Yeah, right. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. That would make sense. Hey, what's up, Kosu1220? Oh, Kosu120. What's going on? Okay. So looping for each item in the array. So for I equals 0, I is less than. I is less than. Let's add spaces, easy to read. ARR.length. And then I++. Hey Omar, I didn't see you there, bro. How's it going? Welcome back, welcome back. Omar gets a. I spelled it wrong. I spelled it wrong, my bad. The bot's giving you. Omar makes baby smile. Man, I love that bot. Then bot 2020. Dude, I don't even see you on my list. It doesn't show me that you're here. It's weird. Alright, so for I equals 0, I less than R length, I++. And then within that, yeah, I also need you to for. I'm also not seeing myself on the list. Why do I feel? Because you need some pizzas. That's why. Okay, for J equals 0. I don't know. I just had dinner, man. I just came back, so I'm full. J. Okay, it's gonna be interesting. What's J less than? Yeah, it's gonna be ARR I dot length. I think that works, right? I don't know why it keeps doing that. Thanks. I know back. So yeah, Omar, I just made you a moderator. So I don't know what you can do with that, but man, feel free change whatever you want, bro. Go all in. You wrote O instead of 0. Oh man, thanks. Look at that. You get a cool icon. Moderator status. Awesome. Um. Okay, for j equals 0, j less than j plus plus. Okay, so that does these two things. And then I need an if statement within this. If so this will be if arr. I think the I and the j equals that. Then I need to remove. How do I remove? Remove is splice. Or is it slice? It's one of these. It might be a pop. Yeah. Numbers a slice, start index, and I'm on to delete. Okay. So if that matches the element, then what do you want to do? Oh, he doesn't like the if in here. Look at that. Oh, if oh my bad. If needs to be outside. There you go. If then arr dot slice or splice? Splice. Arr dot splice the I number. I is the starting point and one item. Right? Cannot read property length. Type error. Maybe I need a dot idle length. So iterate through nested array. Is it array or yeah, nested array. Hello, what's up? Wave. All right. Good night. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. J0 J is this in my array. I dot length. That's exactly what I did though in my array. Oh, I didn't. Now it says it cannot read. It's like ARRI. Am I spelling that wrong? LENGTH, right? Why doesn't it like it? Maybe var? Yeah. Right. You see what I'm trying to do though, right? I'm trying to iterate through the I. So it's going to iterate. So once it finds I want it to find the length of this and iterate through each of these. So length of that would be filtered array. No, it'd be array ARR, which is this entire thing. The ith element. So let's say this one. Dot length. Maybe ARR is not a multi-dim. It's not multi-dimensional. Okay. Let's see. Okay, maybe it isn't multi-dimensional. So if it's not multi-dimensional, okay, if it's not multi-dimensional, how else can we fix this? Oh, what's this thing? Switched off. Okay. And that 3. A 3 is problem in your filter. Oh, this. Nah, the 3 has to be the. So 3 is this lm basically. So what it's meant to do is if it finds us 3 here, here, and here, it's meant to remove this from the array and add everything that's remaining on the array. So yeah, I can reset it. Alright, so we are. Now let's try again. So for variable, let's try let I equals 0. I is less than ARR dot. So maybe I don't need the 2 things like you said, right? I plus plus. So within that, can I do an if statement right here and see if it solves? So if something equals a lem, right? If I say if ARR I it needs a position too though. So for example, all right, let's take this code. All right, so let my array equals that. Oh, what? Too many things. Okay, so and if I want to target this 3, I would go my array 0, 1, right? Oh yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0 will be the 3. So I do need it to loop through. It needs to loop through that, and also needs to loop through that, and see if it finds something. So I think so that has to be J. But for it to know J, I do need to define yeah, that's the only way I know how to do that. But I believe now it'll work for you because I might be hit a bug before. Okay, let's hope so. Alright. So I go for let J equals 0, J less than ARR ith position dot length J plus plus, right? And if ARR either J equals LM, what do I want to do? I want to ARR dot splice. I think it's splice. Yeah, slice is copy, so it is splice. Start index and amount to delete. Starting index is going to be I. Wait, hang on. Is this starting index going to be I? Yeah, it's going to be I. Sorry, what am I doing? I1. Yeah, it's giving me that thing again. So maybe this thing here is wrong. Because I've got I. Four. And then for that, let J remove line 7. Yeah, line 7 line 7 is wrong then, huh? Try now. What do you mean? Like, put that back in? Yeah, so I think this line here is wrong. Why is it wrong though? Here are the splice. So splice needs a length. Splice needs a length, does it? Start index, amount to delete. Start index. One sec, I will. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up too. You try something, okay? I feel like this should have worked though. So so if one of the elements of J equals this, then remove it from there. What else? Okay, is there anything else to remove instead of splice? Remove items using splice. Copy an array. Remove items using splice. Let's see. Today was not correct. Splice 3, 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 2. 1 and 2. Just gonna remove those. Yeah, should be that. Oh, do you know what? I think I know. Oh, I think. Let me see, Simon. Then you make it ARR dot splice. ARR dot splice. Hey, what's up, Ray Walt? Hey, what's up, Revi? Welcome to the stream. I've also got a user who's temporarily suspended in the stream. What's up, man? Welcome. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. What am I doing wrong? If AR equals that. Oops, I'll come back phone call. Alright, man. Sounds good. Let me see if I can figure it out. So when you have and 18, should be 1083. Yeah, it removes the entire thing, right? So, and that thing is an array. So it's definitely ARR.splice. Starting position, and you're removing that one item. So starting position or starting index would be wherever the J element is, and that has to be I because we're looking at the ith element. Can I read length of undefined? ARR is undefined. Wait, what did he say? I dot splice. Yeah, I don't think that does what I wanted to do though. Let's just run some tests. Hey, this one works. 333. Amy, Beth, Sam, Dave, Sean, Peter, Amy, Sam. Pop removes the last element. Shift removes the first element. Slice copies. Sam's 3 nested loops. Oh, that's actually wrong. Hey, what's up? Suspended. How's it going? That's a funny username, man. Feminer, welcome to the stream. Are you a coder? Do you know JavaScript? JavaScript. Can't even talk. Isn't Pratik an Indian name? Could be an Indian name, but I'm not Indian. Nepal. It's just next to India. You know JS? Cool. So what am I doing wrong? So this is what I need to do. Right, and I'm looping through. For SK Monster. That looks like a. How do I? Yeah, complete newbie. I've got 10. This is my 10th day learning JavaScript, and then I spent 30 days before that learning HTML and CSS. Man, that SK Monster dude looks like a bot posting some random stuff. How do I ban him? I'm gonna put him in a timeout. Timeout for 10 minutes. See if he learns. Then I should have gone with Treehouse. Okay. Treehouse, is that paid or is that free? I think it's. Alright, anyway, what am I doing wrong here? Let's try and run this code. Okay, so it's returning an empty. So okay, that works. But it doesn't work when. Alright, so if I try and run this, what's that gonna do? Okay, that's also returning an empty array. So, do you know what the problem is? Yeah, I think another problem is I'm not pushing new ARR equals ARR dot push function push 4. Treehouse is good for making a strong base. If you take the try and power through, then I guess you can get your bases cleared up. Okay. Okay, gonna have to add it to my list. So this is the plan that I've got right now. Complete the basics in free code camp. After the basics, go through this, reading this in the background, and then I'm gonna do this 30-day JavaScript challenge, building projects, which is this, like 30 different projects, and then see if we can get into lead code and code wars. But Treehouse is new. Treehouse, I'll add that to the list. I'll definitely check it out. But what's happening here? 444. New AR is not defined. We defined it here, dude. Alright, let's refresh that. Try again. Okay. What am I doing wrong? If you can take the trial through, I've done my research. Thanks, man. It's not. So I was just doing free code cam, and then it's people like yourselves in the chat giving me advice. So really, it's a group thing. Like all of these, they came from the chat. So I've added what you said in here. These are all the things that came. Like, yeah, I think I've done like 15 streams so far, I would say, and it just came from there. What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong. Let's see. Well, I've been learning, got to go. All right, man. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your day. To return a filtered version of the new error to push. So if I push to here, what would that do? Okay. Don't think that makes a difference, but Jay, what's up, Johnny? Hey, why are you using two loops in this case? Okay, right. Yeah, maybe that's the issue. So here's my thinking, right? So what it needs to do is there's a function that accepts an array and an element. So if you pass this array and this element into this function, what it should do is the first loop is going to loop through each of these individually, right? That's the one loop. The second loop is for once it finds this position, the I position, it says it's then going to loop through each of the individual ones within this. And then if, excuse me, if any of those equals number 3, then it needs to delete this array. Um, yeah, so remove, so because it's 3 matches with this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is also gone, so this should be an empty array. So new array should be empty. So if we take a look at, you got it? Okay, cool. That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm obviously having some issues. So 4, why is it 4? New error equals 4. Push. Yeah, it's pushing nothing now. I guess it, I mean, it's ARR. Oh, hang on. I think it's new ARR, new ARR dot push ARR. Hey, look at that. It's doing something. Oh, do you know what? It might be easy to do if it equal to thing, and then push ARR I into it. So I'm kind of working it backwards, right? So maybe, so if it's not equal, then push. If it's equal, then don't push. Then that way, we're kind of automatically filtering it, right? But it doesn't like something. What's it not like in 629? Hmm. Yeah, that that fails everything. Okay. Three two three one six three 31326. Where did that come from? Um, hey, what's up, Leon? Welcome to stream. So, Johnny, any idea? Any hints, rather? I don't want to look up the answer just yet. I'm gonna struggle for a bit, see if we can figure it out. This makes sense, right? What are we trying to do? So loop through each of the array items, and within those, loop through each of the single individual ones within the item. And then if arrij equals this, or does not equal that, then new arr dot, so push the ith thing into the new array. I feel like that should work. I don't know why it's not working. It's a new arr. It's not defined. Try that again. Else, I don't know what I would. I don't know what I would do else there. We might have to look at some hints. Okay. Let's say ARR. Okay, let ARR. Let's assign it that. And then if I go ARR, let's say in the first position, J is the second position is 3. ARR 0, 2. Just looping through the i's, looping through the zeros, and if that equals 3, which is the element, I guess I'm doing it is not equal to that. Hey, what's up, Carito? How's it going, man? That's actually the same implementation that I've got. Filtered array, which takes an argument, a nested array, and an element as arguments, and returns a new array. LM represents an element that may or may not be present in one or more of the arrays nested within ARR. Modify the function using a for loop to return a filtered version of the past array that any nested array within ARR containing LM has been removed. Okay. I mean, I should have removed it because what this is doing is going through the i's, going through the j's. If it does not equal to, right, if none of the j's equals this, then and only then push that ith whole thing into new ARR. Let's see. Okay, but if I didn't do the push method, I'd do if it equals that, the new ARR dot the new ARR equals ARR dot splice I1. Undefined. Oh, fantastic. Undefined. What's this? Can I do like new? Yeah, it's pushing the entire thing. It didn't remove anything. Brum, what's going on? Are you from UK? I'm from the UK, bro. London. Sounds like you're from the UK too. Brum. Birmingham? Or is that just a coincidence? That didn't filter anything. Oh. Am I using the splice thing incorrectly? Splice. No more the splice. Start index, amount to delete. start index and amount to delete. ARR.splice. Yeah, I'm stuck. I think I might have to take a look at some hints. Anyone in the chat have any suggestions or any hints? It shouldn't, right? I should be able to just push it. That's the array, that's the item, that's the J item. That plug does not equal. Does not equal that. Why is it pushing 3 to 3? Oh, you know what it's doing? Yeah, so this one definitely needs 2. I'm not sure what I'm missing. I am not sure at all. So this is initialized to that. I mean, if I say 8, for example, it's gonna push 8, which is not what we want, right? So yeah, so maybe we can play around with that and figure out. Okay, so if I set equals, hey, look at that. If it's equals, then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Omar, welcome back. Welcome back. I'm still stuck. So yeah, you haven't missed much. If it does not equal, then it pushes 1, 2, 3. Pushes it 7 times, eh? Could you post me the link? Yeah. There is. If you figure it out, I'm sure you will. Don't give me the answer though. Just give me some hints. It'll be good to try and figure this out. So, Brum, are you still in the chat? Okay. Why is that pushing? Yes. Awesome, man. So I'm taking you from the UK. Do you code? Do you know the answer to this? Let me know, man. Give me some hints. Why is it pushing 8 that many times? Whoa. It doesn't like the triple. This is a long time ago on the React.js. Oh, nice, man. Free code camp. They got React.js too. Curriculum. React.js. What would that be? Somewhere here? Nice. Oh, wow. You're way ahead of me. Cool. That's awesome, man. That's amazing. I'll catch up soon. Maybe in a month. I think I'll get there. Okay. 888. Why there's so many 8s? Yeah, this logic here is wrong. Yeah, so keep going, looping back, and then new ARR dot push the hey, look at that. Yeah, been stuck in. I'll wait for Omar and then I'll look at the hint after that. So this is just pushing the entire thing, right? So if that equals the thing. So if it's not splice, pushing something into it, push the. Yeah, push the ith item, right? Because like. Right, let's say, let's save that. Okay. Okay, that's bad. Now let's say let array1 equals that. So we assign it that. And then I say let array2 equals an empty array. Oh. Let array2 is an empty array. And then I say array1 Array 1, let's say, I don't know, first position. So array 2 dot push that 1. Okay, so I'm thinking about it wrong because that doesn't push anything. So what is array 2 equal to now? Array 2, yeah, 1, 6, and 3. 1, 6, and 3, it did push it. Array 2 dot push array 1, 1. Yeah, no, that is right, but something's missing. 3, 2, 3 twice. Okay, look at that. So at least it's doing what I wanted to do. So it's basically going 3, push it, 3, push it. That's why I pushed twice. 3, push that, 3, push that. 13 doesn't do it. 3, yeah, pushed. Okay, so it's kind of working. What if I did not equals that? Not equal value. Okay, maybe just a single. Although that shouldn't make that much difference. New error to push. I don't know what I'm missing. Maybe that push nothing, and then in the else will push error dot push the what am I pushing in there? ARR the item. Oh wow, you got the answer. Let exist equals false for I is 0, I is this and that. I'm gonna have to write this in the thing. JavaScript. Beautify. There we go. Beautify. Oh, too many. Okay, I think that. All right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, awesome. Thanks, man. That helps. Function. Ooh, what is that? The exist equals false for I0, I is less than that. Or J0, J is. Also, you've got the plus plus on this side too. If ARJ equals 11, exists equals true. If exists is false, push. So if he. That's interesting. The exist equals false. Give me 2 minutes. Alright, I'll copy your code here. Okay. I think here, right? That's the code. Reset. Let's reset. Hey man, what have I done wrong? It's not part. Oh, I know why. Just delete the entire thing. Oh, no. Yeah, okay, that does pass the test. Okay. Okay, sounds good. So you're setting a Boolean thing, exists as false. Let I is there, let J. Yeah, that's the same thing we did, although I did I++. Shouldn't make a difference. Right. If this then is true, then we're not doing anything. Oh, it's initialized to false? Make it true. If exist is not true, new error to push that. And what's this doing here? Exist equals false again at the end. Oh, you're reinitializing it to false and then going through the loop again. I think that's what we're doing. Let me see what are the solutions these guys have got. So if not true. Okay. If I is 0, if ARRI index of element. Look at that. So it's just looping once and they figured it out. Yeah, it makes sense. So if element is there even once, you don't add it, right? Yeah, that's a neat implementation. Index of. If it doesn't exist, -1 means that it doesn't exist. Check every parameter for the element, and if is not there, continues the code. New error, push error, insert the element in the array. Yep. Change the code. Alright, perfect. Let's check Omar's code. Create a variable and set it to false. The checked make exists true. Right, so the J element is equal to the element. Complete it to check all items in a dimension. Okay, so it loops through, and if exists is not true, if any of the item in exists is not there, is like 43x, and if it has x in any part, here mark it as exists. Okay. Right. And if it exists, I'm not adding any other parts to the create array because it's not true. If it exists and it's not added, we need to clear to check for other. Right, so you're reinitializing it to that, and then cool. Yeah, that also makes sense. Awesome. Yeah, man, this looks like a harder implementation. Not harder, but like more. Oh, crap! Just drop my lights. It's much more of a. I don't know. You're thinking through multiple things. Don't forget one thing in coding. There is only one solution, right? That is also true. That is very true. This is also very smart. Index off. Do I not have on my notes? Oh, yeah. Coding is a stage first you write, then you optimize it. Okay. Right. I was thinking of making a counter to that. Counter so that it goes through each subarray, and if counter hasn't increased by even one, we have gone for entire array. Otherwise, move on. A bit complex than the building says. Index is easiest. Ah, interesting. Okay, so how would I do the counter thing? Let's try the counter thing, just so we know it. Just so we have the third answer to this. Like, it's like count plus plus or something. But we gotta define count, right? Let count equals 0, count plus plus, and then I guess here we go count. Okay, count plus plus. But if count equals 0, because that means we couldn't find anything, then push it into it, right? Does that make sense? Brum, you're a genius. That works. So count plus plus works too. But yeah, I just modified Omar's code, initialized it, did a count is 0, push it. If count is anything, do nothing, and then reinitialize the 0. Awesome, man. Okay, what's the... Okay, false. Break. What is break? Exists is true. Break. We find one existence, so no need to check the other. I didn't even know that was a thing. So if you got like x, y, x, and if you have find x in the first one, it breaks it. Okay. Yeah, that's sick. Okay. Nice. We just found a 4 different implementation of this answer. That's cool. I like the count one too. I didn't think of that. That's cool. What was I trying to do? So that's what I was missing, right? So I was missing the initialization. I didn't even know about the index off, but I was close to. Yeah, this is what I had wrong. So if it was true, I didn't have a thing for that. If I equals 0, less than. If I equals 4, break. Okay. Otherwise, we'll continue. Cool. Yeah. Break loop. Okay. So if I had it like that, and then. Hang on. Push I. But if. So if I equals 2. Break. Right? So this should only add 0, 1, and 2. Let's see. Oh, 0 and 1. Because once I is 2, it breaks. It breaks and it doesn't run through the loop. Okay. Brum, I suggest you always use booleans if you don't need the how many of the item exists and not for performance. Interesting. So, Brum, is this the first time you're learning to code? Or, like, I mean, is free code? You just started free code camp, or? Yep. And brother, another thing that break exists is called continue. Another thing like break. Oh, interesting. Man, there's so much to learn. Let's continue. I'll write a small example. All right, awesome. So, how are you finding learning to code? And what's your goal? You wanna just do it for fun, get a job? All right, let's close all of that. I've been on and off FreeCodeCamp CS student. Man, that's awesome. On and off, but not a CS student. I've had a few, like, I want to say like 30% of people who come say hi on the stream tend to be CS students. Very interesting. I am I tried to learn a couple years ago, did like free code camp. HTML CSS, got to the first section of JavaScript, and then I gave up to stop. Life happened. Tried again. Second time was 2 weeks since gave up. This is the third time, and I was like, I want to stream it, so I hold myself accountable. And I was hoping maybe at least one person in the chat will kind of join the journey or whatever. And I got people like Omar, there's Dorano, Denavian, there's a couple of guys who jump on every now and again. And yeah, you see Omar helping out in the chat. Like it's like I'm not learning by myself. I've got other people. It's almost as if we're learning together, and I can bounce ideas off. And yeah, I didn't expect that to happen at all, but it's happened, and that's helped me stay accountable so far. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna go for the entire thing this time. All right, so what are we doing here? This one's done. 55%, almost done. Create a complex multi-dimensional array. Jesus, okay. Man, it's 1 a.m. in the morning. This might be too heavy for me. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Awesome, you just learned a ton about arrays. This is a fairly high level overview, but there's plenty more to learn about working with arrays. Yeah, it helps a lot when someone can help you, right? Yeah, I mean, you're a CS student, so I'm guessing you have course mates, tutors, lecturers, all that good stuff. When you're learning by yourself, like, yeah. I'm not in the React pod yet, but if you want to bounce ideas off on any other stuff on the stream, or like there's a Discord too if you want to join. There's a bunch of people join up. If you want to ask questions, man, feel free. I feel like teaching is the best way to learn. All right, what are we doing here? Plenty more. But before moving on to looking at objects, let's take one more look. Complex. So one of the most powerful features when thinking of arrays as data structures is that arrays can contain or even be completely made up of other arrays. We have seen arrays that contain arrays in the previous challenge, but fairly simple ones. However, arrays can contain an infinite depth of arrays that can contain other arrays, each of their own arbitrary levels of depth. In this way, but not the cheapest. Hey, what's up, Bert? What do you mean, not the cheapest? Oh, right. That is true. That is true. I'm just teaching, just in general, like teaching each other your pairs or whatever. But yeah, that is also true. All right, let's check out into code. All right, this was the we've got an array. Like I is 0, I is less than or than da. Console log error. If error equals 2, continue. Huh. So interesting. So once it hits 2, it's gonna start running a different set of code, right? Yeah, I can see that coming handy. Just run it. Okay. All right. Oh. 1, 2. Console log. Damn, look at that. Right, so it skipped that step and went to the other one. Right. Yeah. Because so if it equals 2, continue to the next line. So basically skip. That's cool, man. All right. Let's add this example to my notes. I might just do a screenshot here. Look at that. Right. So just stop. But when it's continue, it's gonna skip that step. It's gonna continue from. Very interesting. Yeah, maybe I should add that as an example. Let's get rid of that. Awesome, thanks, man. That's like probably the best example ever. Sweet. Paste ubuntu.com. Okay. All right, look at this mess though. What is that? Top or first level, most outermost array, an array within an array, 2 arrays nested 3 levels deep, 4 levels deep. Now Ubuntu, man, that paste system works. That works good with me because I'm just copy pasting to my notes anyway. Okay, while this example may seem convoluted, this level of complexity is not unheard of or even unusual when dealing with large amounts of data. However, we can still very easily access the deepest level of an array. This composed with bracket notation. Nested array 21000 Gotcha. It's 2, 1. It will help if you first console log the nested array, then console log the nested array 2, gradually build. Same code, other paste system. Oh, nice, man. You got all the tools. Awesome. All right, so what are you saying? Okay. Yeah, because right now I'm like, what? I still don't understand. 21000 what? Okay. let's try. So if I have copy that. Okay. Nested array. Okay, 0 is deep. Okay, so we got that, and within that we got two things. Oh wow, what the heck? Okay. If you do nested array 0, 0, it will return the string deep. Right, 0, 0 would be, yeah. Try to get the first deeper, that one. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, maybe. D, what the heck? D. No, it's not 0, it'd be 1, right? 1, 1, 0 is deeper, yeah. Yeah. But what deeper is that though? Is that this deeper or is it that deeper? They need to name this differently, man. Okay, I'm gonna change the name because that's hard to understand. Alright, it's clear. Try again. Deeper 1, deeper 2, deepest 1, deepest 3, deepest. It's the left one. Sorry, what did you say? What is the link for this one? Yeah, I haven't even tried solving the problem. I'm still trying to understand like how to access these things. It's just confusing. Okay, so now that we named it, let's see, right? So nested array. Oh, come on. Nested array tab. 0 would be deep. 0, 0 would also be deep because there's only one thing within this array. 0 won't be NaN or undefined, doesn't exist. Yeah, let's just keep it. 0, 1 would be deeper 1. No. Sorry, 1, 0 would be deeper 1. And then 1, 1 would be deeper 2. And that one's going to be 2, 0 is deeper 1. Should be at least, or maybe not. Hang on. 3, 3, 3. Is it 3? What's that giving me? Oh, it's going. The 2, 0 is something. There's an object here that has two different objects. Okay. So 2, 0. Deeper 1 is. But nested array 1, 0 returns deeper. Nested array 1, 0 returns the string deeper. Okay. Yeah, that's enough to give them unique names. Okay, it's deeper 1 in this case, right? 2, 0 gives me both of these. 2 arrays nested 4 levels deep. So if I wanted deepest one, I'd go that, right? And then if I wanted cannot breed property, wait. Deepest 2. How do I get to deepest est? Don't worry, bro. It's almost impossible to see an array with more than 3 deep in real life. Okay, okay, that's reassuring. How the hell do I even get to that? Two zero one 2100. Huh. Two one zero zero. Okay. 0 1 2 2 1 0. It's 210 would also be the same thing, right? 2 1. No, it's not. 210 would be an array. Like this array. And is there an easy way to count just by looking? Because there must be something like cheat codes. Actually, one more zero. So 21000. Right. Yeah. And there's a way. I mean, I'm thinking there might be a way to just count these brackets and figure out how deep we're in. Actually, it may not be, because this one's a simple example. There's only one string. You can have like multiple objects within an object. Yeah, that would be complicated. Okay, I think I get it. Kind of. Let's see if we can solve this. We've defined a variable minus the array. Say, yeah. Modify this using any combination of strings, numbers, booleans for data elements. So that exactly 5 levels of depth. Somewhere, excuse me, some on the 3rd level include string. 4th deeper, 5th deepest. Okay, sleep on it. Man, I kid you not, that's the second time I've heard that. I've heard that today. Not on the stream. My friend, like IRL in real life, told me that. It's like, yeah, just sleep on it. Let your brain, let your subconscious process this, and then it'll make more sense. So yeah, that is sage advice for sure. All right, so we got to make this 3 levels deep, right? So this is level 0. So if I put this within that, that'll be level 1. Will it? Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I see what it's doing. Alright, let's just reset. Careful with the commas. No, you're missing a comma at the end. All right. Yeah, I'm deleting and restarting. What the hell do I do? Okay. So we got this thing. That's all right. So this is in the 0th position. I might just go deep inside this one. Create everything in here. Actually, yeah, let's move this inside there somewhere. Hang on. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just sticking stuff inside and see what it does. Oh, what? What happened? There we go. Oh crap. Comma. That's closing that. Yeah, let's add 2 items in there. Why not? What is? It's closing there. It's closing there. No, it's closing that. Okay. It looks like a complicated tutorial for something not that complicated. Oh, is it? Oh man, to me this looks so difficult. Not difficult, it just looks like what the hell am I looking at? Okay. Never use this in practical depth. Okay, so I'm learning something I'm never gonna use in real life. That's fun. Also, it's fun that here it says this level of complexity is not unheard of or even unusual when dealing with large amount of data. And then like 20 minutes ago, Omar was like, "You will never see this in real life," and then now you're telling me the same thing. Oh man, whoever wrote this lesson just wants to watch people suffer, man. That's funny. When you're dealing with large amount, you definitely handle that shit. Oh man, you would never store something like that. There's no point. Okay, fair enough. So why did you do it with that large amount of data? Oh, I guess how would you do it? What about JSON files? Oh man, how the hell? Okay, so I need to be 5 levels deep. This one is 5 levels deep. One. Let's see, let's just run the code. Hey, look at that. I'm 5 levels deep. Great. Now, should contain one occurrence of the string deep on an array on the 3rd level. So what would be the 3rd level? This would be this would be level 1, level 2, I think. I don't know. Let's add it here, see what it does. Okay. Nope. That is a nope. It's 3 levels deep. I just put it there, didn't I? Okay, there you go. There's a free third. Deeper, that should be on the 4th level. So somewhere here. And then deepest was gonna go. I think this is gonna pass, but I still have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, I have a vague idea what I'm doing, but hey, thanks for the follow, Rams. Appreciate it. Pretty sure it's gonna pass. Yeah, it passes, but it's still like, what the heck? Link, please. Yeah, sending you a link. Although I already passed the test, so I don't know if you still want to play around with it. What about JSON files? Okay, but that would depend on what you want to do. I'm the kind of person who fires up a MongoDB instance instead of using JSON. MongoDB instance. Okay, I've got loads to learn, man. I can only use JSON requests and storing data strings. Okay, found. I also tend to use objects instead of nesting arrays. Makes it easier. Objects versus arrays, man. Yeah. I have no real life experience to what's the word? Connect the dots with. But that sounds interesting. Yeah, so the point is that nesting objects and arrays works rather than similar nesting. So no, I mean you just landed on my list of good enough streamers in this category. Oh, for sure, but the tutorial makes it messy. I would have preferred it showed some more practical. I never had any lesson. Oh, you've never had any lesson? How did you learn? I agree, could have at least been more gradual. I think it's been more gradual. I've been doing this. This is my 10th day up. Man, I went through. Let me show you what I did. I'm pretty sure you guys have never seen or went through Free Code Camp. So 111 different tutorial lessons on basic JavaScript. And then I'm going to do some ES6, like arrow functions and template literals and all that good stuff. That was 2 days ago. Yeah, regular expressions finished that off last night. And this morning did some debugging stuff, and then now I'm going through that. So it is kind of slowly scaling up in terms of complexity. I learned everything just by having to make it. ES6 arrow function, the type of thing you see everywhere. Keys have what is key/value pairing? What is that? I don't think I've learned that yet. Maybe I have, I just don't know it. Oh, yeah. I did that. I did do that. I love the arrow functions. Nice. Glad I'm seeing the excitement. I learned about arrow functions 2 days ago, so all I know about them is here in my little notes. So instead of writing all of that, I can just do that, which is pretty neat. So my function. I'm slowly switching back to using the function keyword because of TypeScript and large projects making use of JS talks. TypeScript. Whoa, what is that? Okay, hold on, let's check that code out. Doesn't want to do anything. All right, great. Hey, look at that. So that's an easier implementation. So one, two, three, four, five. Oh man, that's so easy to understand. All right, let's break it down. One, three. Yeah. I started coding to build a project called Rocket Play, which we're a video platform aimed at monetization features. Started by learning PHP, then we got HTML, CSS dev. I had to learn some JS, then a few months later, so I used JavaScript. Rocket Play, what is Rocket Play? You said you founded this? Man, you've had 4.5 million in funding. That's amazing. So that was one of the things I've got like. Yeah, if you look at my notes, I want to learn a code to either start a startup or get a dev job. 80% to actually start a company. So that is sick. You didn't even wait. You just went in and just started building. TypeScript is a JavaScript superset that adds types. It's mostly the same. I like to call it JavaScript plus plus. We now run TypeScript in all projects, even for the whole backend API. I can shoot a link. Shoot a link to, yeah, I think you're talking about a link to your Rocket Play. What's the link? There we go. Check.co. The old stuff is a gambling thing, not me. Okay. Alright. Hey, then you need to change the link here on Crunchbase. Therestogo.com. Or maybe that's not your company. Mobile gaming company. Okay. Yeah. Your logo is different. Rocket Play does exist. Interesting. Coast.com is not me. I wish I had put. Hey man, one day we'll get that moving free funding. Oh, wait, so what does this do again? Video platform aimed at monetization features. Video platform aimed at monetization features. Whoa. Okay, cookies. Coming soon. Followed astronauts, log into follow. Continue with Discord. Got Trump on there.
Has he offered to withdraw? From the process?
I haven't seen that one. That's funny. So, wait. So, what's the plan? So, this is kind of like YouTube, but with monetization for creators. I wish I have a job. Hey, maybe Rems is hiring. Do you need a Python guru or like a PHP guru, or even JavaScript? But do you have a set schedule which do you stream and at what time? I would like to watch you more though, but could not find more info. Okay, so on the weekends I stream basically 6 p.m. my time, sometimes longer. Let's say 6 p.m. GMT. What time zone are you in? I'm gonna assume you're in EST. So ET would be New York time, 1 o'clock, 6 p.m. GMT. Yeah, normally 6 until whatever times now. Take a quick break to have dinner. Try and do like 6 hours on the weekends. On the weekdays, I work. Um, and I work for an American company. I'm based in the UK, but I work for an American company. So my work schedule depends. Like sometimes 8 hour days, sometimes 10 hour days. So on the weekday, I should probably add this to the thing, huh? To my okay. Not gonna do it now, but add schedule to Twitch profile. Yeah, so there's no like set schedule like I'm gonna do it this time, but yeah, roughly 6 p.m. on weekends until whenever. Weekdays, I want to say 11 p.m. or midnight, after midnight. It depends. If work gets crazy and I have to sit there and do some stuff, then it'll be after midnight and sometime 11 p.m. Um, but yeah, Omar is right. I do record every single session. And I put it to YouTube as well. Obviously, it's not the same thing as coming live and interacting and helping me like solve problems. But yeah, it's on YouTube too. I'm looking at. Oh wait, grab those. 17. No, damn, you 17 started building companies already. Man, that's awesome. I'm 30, still jobless. Okay, what's this? Yeah, add it to Twitch. That would help. All right, definitely gonna add it to Twitch. So, whoa, what am I looking at here? Rocket is video development by creators want to monetize the content, engage with the communities. Gotcha. Cool. How do you aim to monetize this? It's kind of like Patreon kind of stuff, but for videos. Oh, actually, it says all here. Tools and creators for communities, donations, early video access, video qualities, subscribers, spend fuel on donations. No ads ever. Nice. Cool looking badges. How does fair share work? You set a monthly price for fair share. At the end of the month, the amount of service fees split equally amongst all of the creators. That's interesting. Link above has our latest graphic, which explains. Please help me find a job. So the company I work for, they use Ruby on Rails. Do you code in Ruby? That's the what's the word? That's the code base. And they also hire from TopTal too. A lot of contractors come from here. I don't know if you're on TopTal. That might be a good shout. I think you have the skills to get in there. Yeah, if you get in here, like, yeah, these companies are always looking for contractors. This is a key feature, allow you to support many creators and get some perks. You have money to pay 5 times $5 a month, right? Yeah, I'd be interested to see how it's actually gonna play out. Yeah, because I'm thinking like, for example, on Twitch, you've got the premium Twitch people, and they obviously get like 20,000 viewers versus right now I've got 9 viewers, right? So yeah, like would those people be okay sharing their kind of, because they bring in 80% of the people on the platform, sharing their earnings with everyone else who maybe started maybe you need to be a certain level before you can start getting payouts, so you're contributing. Okay, I need to remake that. Yeah, I don't know. It's split across your list. Oh, you can be part of a. Oh, okay. So you could be like. Now that's interesting because if you have a list, so all the top performers or whatever could have their own list, and then you being part of the list, you kind of grow each other's list, right? So in marketing, you've got that, like you sell it to someone else's email list or someone else's following or whatever. So you cross promote. Not really. It'd be per user. You add your favorite creators to your fair share list. Okay, who creates the fair share list? You create it yourself? Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay, yeah, I see it now, yeah. Cool. Sounds like an interesting idea for sure. All right, yeah. Let me know how it goes, man. Where are these videos coming from? Are you hosting these videos right now, or are they just referencing someplace? Okay, am I back? I don't know why it keeps doing it. It keeps disconnecting me today. Okay, I should be back now. Awesome. Yeah, I didn't Okay, I didn't realize there was a scrolling thing. That's pretty cool. Search doesn't work yet. It's just a placeholder image. Cool, man. Yeah, let's pause that for now. Key values, right? That's what we're talking about. I love this guy, man. It's just like I'm learning everything. I like the spirit. That's awesome. um, okay, so I mean, so if it was easy to see, you just count the commas, man. So first comma is first level, second is second level, third comma is the third level, fourth comma is the fourth level, and then anything after that is the fifth. It would be tricky if you had multiple items within it. There'd be more commas, right? So you'd have to look for a comma after the brackets. If it's an array. Yeah, nah, it doesn't really work when there's large numbers. Oh, I mean, I'll do a fuck ton. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this one works. I code a stream, have a home lab, I sell Minecraft servers, run my hardware, do streaming, production plans, custom audio gear. Jesus, okay. What do you stream? Just building. Let's check your profile out.
If it doesn't work this time, I'm giving up.
Minecraft stuff.
Smoother on the stream. Yeah, a bit. It is 30 FPS, so you know.
So Minecraft servers you stream? I don't really play Minecraft, so I don't know much about it. The building process. If you're gonna stream, are you building Rocket? Rocket Play? Is it Rocket Play? Yeah, Rocket Play. I'll watch. Video games though is not really my thing, but yeah, I'll follow you. Did I follow? Yeah. Cool. Sound gone again? It's saying it's still active though. You can't hear me? Okay. It was my mistake. Alright, gotcha. Alright, what are we doing here? Add key value. Here we go. Key value pairs. You were talking about this 2 minutes ago. I hadn't learned it yet. Yeah, right. Here's where it is. At the most basic, objects are just collection of key value pairs. In other words, they are pieces of data mapped to unique identifiers called properties. Take an example. Tekken character, player, fighting style, human. The above code defines a video game character called object called that. It has 3 properties, each of which map to a specific value. If you want to add an additional property such as origin, you don't know, taking credit to the origin equals South Korea. This uses dot notation. If you were to observe the taken character object, it will now include origin property, taken, hair color. Oh, you can also do it with the bracket notation. Hash map, think like it is a phone contacts, I think. Each nickname has its phone numbers. So nickname, phone numbers. Do you use Discord by any chance? We built a Discord, but don't really use it though. Well, I mean, it's still new. Let's see. Yeah, someone in the stream mentioned it, and we built it a couple days ago, or maybe last week. Yeah, people showcasing their work, and then hopefully there'll be like questions and stuff. Yeah, what's up, Abs? I missed that. Yeah, let me send you a link if you guys want to join. Oh yeah, I haven't added any bots or anything, man. If you know how to add that bot when it does Discord, let me know. How'd you add it? Ooh, hey stream. Hey, what's up? What's up, Omar? But objects are very important in JavaScript. The basic data types are Boolean, int, float, string, array, object, where arrays and objects are similar. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, I am getting a bit distracted, but okay. Before you can see me now, whoa. Thanks for joining, Bert. Alright, before I go into that, I am going to, let's see if this works. I think it was bomb at apparently I can't target rims in this chat. Why not? I don't know. Discord's going off though. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Alright, okay. Bracket notation is required if your property has a space in it. Or if you want to use a variable name of the property. In the above case, the property is in closing quotes. Eyes is eye color, second character eyes is brown. After adding the property, look like this. Okay. A foods object has been created with 3 entries. You're using the syntax of your choice. Add 3 more entries to it. Okay. Bananas with the word value. Foods dot banana equals 13. Grapes, the value of those. So I do grapes. Let's try bracket notation. Grapes. Hang on. That's wrong. Foods dot grapes. Oh, I don't need dot. Food grapes equals 35. Or I can just, okay. Grapes. Oh, because it's in a it's in a, oh yeah, okay. Because it's within the brackets, right? Okay. Oh, what's the third way? Is that the only 2 ways to do it? That's the first way. Second way. Or if you set a, okay. Let's set one up. Does it matter if I do const or let? Maybe. Let's try both. Let strawberries equal 27. And then foods okay, no, that's wrong. Let eyes equal eye color. Let I'm gonna say red equals strawberries. And then strawberries equals 27. Okay, what did I miss? If you don't put that, we'll look for a variable named grapes. Ah, okay. Right. You have jumped to third way. Const can't be changed. That can be changed. Okay. Const means you won't be changed rules. Okay. Yeah. Okay. But both of them does work, though, right? It was still strawberries not defined. What do you mean? Oh, I meant to put in red. My bad. And this needs to be in quotes, huh? Yeah. Let variable strawberries. Okay. Constantly, I'm writing a thingy underscore to check. Some people might have included choose to write concept where they can get away with. Okay. Let's go to const. Sips const. Red strawberries. That works. Alright, what are you writing on? Okay, still typing. So those are the three different ways. Dot banana, brackets, quotes. If there's no quotes, then it looks for a variable. So you do that by creating a variable. Alright. Let's add this to my notes. So this was called, what was this called? Key value pairs. Yeah. I made a mistake there, but you understand it. Variable equals strawberries, food, var. Right. The var is meant to be variable. Equals 27. Yeah. Plan to make a book so he'll be rich. You can refer to the variable food. You can refer to the variable food as an object. We call such data structures objects. Oh, I can call. Okay, yeah. Okay. Object dot. In Python is called dict, and in other language called hashmap. That's why someone said hashmap earlier. Someone said hashmap. Interesting. Oh, you want to sell these books? Sell the notes? Yeah. Yeah, it's becoming its own thing, man. So much stuff. That's cool. Hashmap, dict, objects. Nice. Hey, it's failing. What's failing? Why is it failing? The foods object should have a key bananas. Oh, bananas. Bananas. It's missing an S. Okay. So what do you do? But it sounds like you've been coding for years. Like, you've got tons of experience. Are you like a full-time programmer in work? Okay. What's going on? Someone pinged me. Who pinged me? JavaScript. Whoa, what is all this? Const John. Name is surname. Check object. Console log John. Did he just type this just now? Alright, I'll send you my explanation. Let's see. Console log John. Check the object. Check John's age. Can I? Right, so that checks John's age using dot key. Using key live above dot age. It's the most common thing, but you can also use key. What is useful for? Let me show ya. Let 2c is Console log John 2C 32. Okay. Right, you assign 2C to age, yeah. 2C now assign it to name. Oh, you just changed it. Okay, cool. This is for mapping, for example, when we store users with keys. We're using names instead of IDs. The John object is already defined, so no need to remake it. Mary Beth. Current user is John. Console log user, current user.name. Let's up our game. Console log dollar to temp users, current user surname. User's current user name is okay, John Denver. Man, okay, okay. It's crazy that I can read through that and understand it, but I'll have to go through it multiple times to go fully sink in. But man, appreciate that, man. Thanks. Cool. Right, what's Buff saying? I have a bachelor in technical computer science. Man, everyone has computer science degree, but now not everyone. Most people who jump on the stream, everyone's like computer science student or graduate. It's interesting. But now I am studying a master in media informatics. Media informatics. What is that? Since the beginning of October, I decided to become active on GitLab, and I've been coding every single day since then. 30 contributions minimum. Nice. My favorite languages are JavaScript and C++, but I am now learning C++. Cool. Why did you switch your... You didn't switch. You did a bachelor's and then you went to master's. Okay. Awesome, man. I want to check what that is. Media informatics. What is that? Digital media information technology. Sounds like it's based in Europe. Only Europe has that course. KD development. Just remember this if you have any question. I can also invite to Rockabit Discord. We have dev channels. Yeah, man. Yeah, feel free. Let's do it. I decided to specialize with multimedia, basically audio programming, graphics programming. So I'm in Vienna. Nice. Austria, huh? Nice. Vienna is in Austria, right? I'm not imagining that. Yeah, it is the capital. Hey, I know a little bit of my European geography. Yeah. Man, 3 years ago, I tried Code Academy for a bit, but it wasn't for me. No free access anymore. Freelance work in web design. Very interesting. All right. Join, sure. Cool, man. I will check this out at a later point. Okay. Let's close that for now. Where are we? You've hitchhiked in all of Europe? Actually hitchhiked? Nice. Misato Chrono, what's up? Soloic, what's up? Tekoa, what's going on? I love me Europe. Follow me if you have Instagram. Yeah, man, what's your Insta? Oh, there you go. Modify an object nested within an object. Let's grab more stuff. Yeah, for sure. Follow. Boom. Check stories part. I think I've. Oh, we'll close it too early. Let's see. Oh, that's where the travels are here. Poland, Lithuania, Serbia, Hungary. Hungary. Nice. Budapest, sick. Man's traveling. I haven't been to any of these places though. I've been to most of Europe, not most. The main hotspots at least. Man travels for sure. Yeah. Went to I don't know. Went to Rome, Paris, Venice. Where else in Europe? Barcelona. Are you from Belgium, Rems? Is your name Remy? Not all parts. Okay. Alright, let's focus. Let's take a look at something more complex. Object properties can be nested in an okay, user activity, ID, date, data. Nested object have 3 properties: ID. Okay. ID, which is value is a number. Date, value is a string. Data, value is an object with its own nested structure. While structures can quickly become complex, we can still use the same notations to access information. To assign the value 10 to busy dot notation. Okay, so nested object dot data dot online status dot busy equals 10. Here we define an object user activity which includes another object within it. Set the value of online key to 45. Online key, where's online key? This one. Okay, so the user activity dot data dot online. That's it, right? There was a case where like the thing wouldn't work. I think it was with JSON. The dot notation wouldn't work, and I had to use brackets at some point. Indeed, but note my nickname has nothing to do with my real name. My name's Nicolas Nico. Call me Nico. Alright, awesome, man. That's what Discord username means. That's what your username means. What does it say? Apales moi Nico. That's in which language? In Belgium, right? What are Belgium's? What's the language of Belgium? Belgian, of course. French. I should have guessed that with moi. Yeah, awesome. I love KDE and Qt, Carnium. Man, I got no idea what any of those KDE, QT, OpenSUSE, like KFC. I don't know. Like it just flies all the way over my head. Hopefully, I'll know what that means soon. This is way more like something you see in real world. Bro, why you do this to me? the pictures of the food from earlier? That's funny. Okay, what are we doing here? This is done. 70%. Ask me that we welcome you to the dark side. Hey man, I don't know if you've seen the dark side. Oh, about KFC. Yeah, it's like KDE, man. It's like KFC. But ready, man? I'm already at the dark side, bro. Look at this. Check this out. I've got Vader. It also like, you know.
Don't make me destroy you.
There he goes, like lights up and stuff. Pretty cool. Joining the dark side here, man. Wait, what? You want to zoom into Vader? Is that what you mean? Man, this is such an awkward angle. I don't know how to zoom in. Next time, I'll send you pictures. Oh, the saber goes zoom. Oh, okay. Zoom, zoom. Yeah. That's so cool, man. It's so huge just there. It's the dark side. All right. Foods object. Selected food. And we want to check our foods object for the presence of that food. This might look like selected food. Excuse me, I'm gonna stand up, man. I don't know about you guys, but sitting down too long just hurts my back. German community. We're the dark side. Unlimited power. Hell yeah. Hey, we've got some new people in the stream. I think there's 13 people. I found that sitting for longer relieves the pain. That's the opposite, man. If you learn, you have to teach. Oh yeah, that's a Spider-Man quote. Great power comes great responsibility. Okay. All right, let's get this. Where are we, man? Where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6 things to do, and then after that, I think we're just doing some algorithms. Get into the tough stuff. Make a code more reusable. Functional programming. Implement a filter method. Okay, yeah, tomorrow we'll get into that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's finish the 6 things and then select 2 hide code. Damn, you're getting so many viewers. Yeah, 12 has been the highest I've ever gotten, man. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. That's a fat course. Oh yeah. Be a pro at the end. Hide code, show more Jedi, you'll have more followers. Yeah. I average at 3. I don't know, man. I don't know, like maybe when you start building your stuff, people will come. Building prepare to open your third eye programming when you go to functional programming. Okay. I used to the 10 average a few years ago. You were averaging that backpack. Ah, because Soros got back. Got the drunk ant. Well, I know why people never came back. Plus one viewer. Hell yeah. Because I don't stream on a schedule. Yeah, I think if anything, I've been very consistent. Try and stream at least one of the or the beard. Yeah, you just need Darth Vader in your room, man. It's Vader powers. It's the Dark Force. All right, let's. That's a good viewer catch. Yep. Okay. Selected food equals get current food, scan item. Inventory is foods, selected food. This code would evaluate the value stored in the selected food variable and return the value of that key in foods. There's too many variables here, I don't. Okay. Bracket notation is very useful because sometimes object properties are not known before runtime, or we need to access them in a more dynamic way. We've defined a function check inventory, which receives a scanned item as an argument. Okay. Return the current value of the scanned item in the foods object. Okay. You can assume that only valid keys are provided in the argument. So, for example, it says apples are needed to return 25. Okay, how are we gonna do this? 15 viewers now, bro. It's just 13 on my end. I grow a beard, but the lady would not be happy. No, the ladies love beard more. Mine doesn't. You're that too, lady. Beards get plus 10 arcane knowledge, but which is kind of recall studying dark arts. Oh yeah, yep, that's it. It's beard power. Okay, I need some. All right. Check the value of the scan item. Yeah, I'm gonna have to loop through these, right? I think, let's see, for I is less than foods dot length, and then if it's 3:20 and I said I wake up before 12. Man, it's 2:20 for me as well. What did I say? If I spelled length wrong. LENGTH. Define I. It was subs. I always forget that. Var I equals 0 or let I equals 0, whatever. Okay. Good catch. I should have like a sticky note or something reminding me to put I in something. I always forget that. Good as an object, just saying. Food is an object, that won't work. Oh, you can't loop through foods like that? You can't loop through an object? Oh, has own property is what I need to do. Oh, there's a better way. Object the keys, object the values, object the entries. Just do food equals food scan item. Nope. I mean, yes, but it's not meant to be used that way, so not natively. I'm a slappy. To be using the key thing. Oh, me go mad. Wait, what? Alright, let's get rid of the looping thing. It's too complicated for another day. Okay, so if I just follow this thing, right, which is basically what you've done. Food. Alright, I'm just gonna copy paste that and see if we can get that working. So selected food would be food. Food is an object of keys and values, right? So you just have to look for the key in the object. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, so it's just food dot. So that's how I would access that, but I needed to return. So let's say food equals food.scan item, let food, and then return food, maybe something like that. Undefined. Why is it undefined? Hang on. Food.scan item, and then I need the value, right? So how do I target the value? Console log foods. Food.banana is, well, I'm signing. Hang on. I'll listen to chat. Okay, coming back. All you have to do is return food scan item. You don't need to iterate. Item is food. Okay, everyone's saying you cannot solve it using dot notation. All right. Okay. So check inventory. I'm passing apples. Apples is a key, right? That's a key. So I'm just looking for foods dot that key or foods, whatever that key is, and then assigning that. Do I need a thing at the end? I guess it doesn't really matter. JavaScript. Assigning that whatever the number is, whatever the value is to food, and then returning food. Okay. That's simple enough. Yeah, okay. Value key, key pairs, key value pairs. Okay. Use the delete keyword to remove object properties. Now you know what objects are and what the basic features and advantages. Flexible, intuitive way, and provide a very fast lookup time. Throughout the rest of the challenges, we will describe several common operations you can perform on objects so you can become comfortable applying these useful data structures in your programs. In earlier challenges, we both added to and modified the object key. Here, remove. Okay, delete. Just delete. Alright. Delete the keyword to remove oranges, plums, and strawberries from food. can't spell. So that should remove oranges, and it does. Can I delete multiple things at the same time? Whoa, chat's going too fast, man. Yeah, what room say you don't need to iterate. You don't even need to assign it. You can just put return foods. Ah, true. Arrow function would even be const check inventory equals scanned item. Okay. No is the answer to I can't do this in groups, right? It's up to one by one. Yep, okay. Hey, at least delete is easy to remember. Just delete it. 80%. So I think we've got 2 more to go, 3 more to go. There we go. Getting to more complicated ones now. Now we can add, modify, and remove keys from objects. But what if we wanted to know if an object has a specific property? Has one property, and the other is the in keyword. If we have an object users with the property of Alan, fun stuff. So this is all right. I think this one we might have to iterate, but we'll see. Maybe there's a simpler implementation. All right, so we've created an object called users with some users in it. Alan, Jeff, Sarah, and Ryan. And a function is everyone here. We pass the users object as an argument. Okay. Users being the whole object. Finish writing this function so that it returns true only if the user's object contains all 4 names: Alan, Jeff, Sarah, Ryan as keys, and false otherwise. Okay, so we can do the has one property. So like multiple if else statement, and then else false basically. But I think you can do that using cases. So like if, for example, users dot has own property Alan, maybe I'll just keep nesting it one after the other. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's try. Alan, Jeff, Sarah, right? Man, I can't spell. Ryan, return true. Else false. Else return false. Oh. I'm not looking at the chat, man. I want to see if I can figure this out. I see chat moving. Oh, this thing here is wrong. Okay. One more bracket. Crap. That fails. Oh, there's no Jeff under Allen. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for one thing. Crap. Okay, why am I not understanding? Oh, maybe I could just do the or thing. Oh, wait. Let's get rid of all of. Let's get rid of all of this. Right. So I got Alan or how's that? Is that gonna work? I don't know if you can have multiple. I've never tried multiple ors. Sarah. um. Oh, and not or and because it has. Wait, what's the thing again? Only if the user contains all. Oh yeah, it has to contain all of them, huh? Yeah. Not all. It's the and. What am I missing? This true is saying that. Syntax error for that solo by syntax error. Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. Should call has on property. Oh. I'm actually surprised that works. Well, it didn't work. It works for true, but it doesn't work for false. What would be your implementation, Solo? All right. So what did you say? You should call has one property for each. So not even. Okay. Right. Yeah, I need to get better at just debugging my own code. Console. It means that you only check for Ryan. Check Discord. You're probably giving me the answer, man. I'm gonna. This guy's coming in with the lessons. But and Rems, both of them, huh? Okay. Okay. I'm trying to understand what Bert is saying. This means that when I evaluate, it only checks for Ryan, so this is not gonna work because it's only looking for them. I'm documented it. Okay. Try to check each key individually. Rems, I will check the answer. I just want to see if I can figure it out myself first, and then I'll take a peek at yours. But okay, try to check each key individually. So when I do this, it's only maybe Rem's code actually does that, but I will take a look at that at the end, right? So if I let's see, I mean, if I just call it here, like it's gonna give me a true or false, right? Do I really need anything else? Undefined. Great. Fantastic. I shouldn't be putting Alan in here. I should be using. No, I should. Well, learning how and works in particular is advanced. I would not advise you look up why it works that way right now. The important thing is it's not. think of it in the dumbest way. What you need to do, you need to check if Alan and Jeff and Sarah Run are in there because you know. Right. So yeah, right now I've checking Alan. Finish running function that returns true only if the user string contains all four names as keys. So if I did console log, how do I check if that's true or false? I mean, that's just gonna. Right, so if I do that, true, great. Users dot has own property. Alan. Yeah, so that's gonna be true. I mean, this thing is messing up. Wait, where did that code come from? For now, you were checking if Alan was there. And is still needed, but not within its own property. The old code worked, this one. You can store it in a variable and then console log the variable. Okay. Alright, we'll call it. Yeah, does name exist? Right. Equals users dot has own property Alan exist. True. Perfect. So what if I do Alan and what are the names? Jeff, Sarah, Ryan. So you said this isn't going to work because it was just looking at the last one? Hey, look at that. Remy's false. So this might work. No, return false if Alan is not a property. I'm having fun writing many ways to solve it. Currently have 3 functions. Should I go for a 4th? Go for it, man. Do it recursively. Dude, that recursive thing, like I spent so long trying to figure that out last time. It'll be much better if you use .ever. Shouldn't it be using the object being passed in? My brother has a problem and it takes just one, and if you give it, it takes one of them. Alan and Jeff and Sarah equals Sarah true and true and true equals true. Those are different things. Okay. Alright. Okay. Hey, that's true. But how do I now string and make it go and check for the other name? Shouldn't I be using the object? Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. So object needs to go in there. Like a var props equals AB var object. Yeah, I have no idea what every is. I think. Could you give me a link? Sure. Oh. Okay, I see. Okay. So you basically, right, instead of having it within one thing, I see what you mean. I just copy paste a bunch of times. I know I'm missing the ands in there. So Alan, this will be Sarah. What else is there? Jeff and Ryan. Do I need to do an if statement here? Oh, I'm missing and here. Hey. Okay. I see what you mean by not having all the ands within the same thing. So it's looking for. Yeah, okay. Because this is gonna look. Okay. One paragraph after Sarah, nice. Not necessarily the if statement. Okay. All right, let's look at Remy's codes. Right, what does he got? Where are you, man? Damn. If and return true as false. Okay, yeah. We just did this without an if. We just assign it to a variable, return the variable. Option 2. Const Alan has Alan uses constant. Okay, so you're setting all the constant if has Alan and has chef, and so if all the constants are true, return true, return false. No need for else since if the return true but fires, nothing else in the function is called. It stops running. I don't know if you need the object, but if you do, here it is. Right. And then Omar's got a function. Is everyone here? Object props equals Alan, Jeff, Sarah, Ryan has all props dot every. Yeah, this is the first time I'm looking at every arrow function as well. Okay. Is that an arrow function? I don't know what that is. That's functional programming is a bit too early for that. Like this thing. Told you to call me Nico. Okay. All right. Palace Moy Nico. All right. Hey, thanks for the sub, Mike. Mike Pro. What's going on? Yeah, I don't know how long you've watched me stream, but if you want to feel the pain of a newbie learning together, thanks for the follow, Brett. But yeah, learn together. Let's do it. Most of the stream is just gonna be me failing. Thanks for the follow, Solo. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. So that's function programming. Oh, wait. I think that's next. Nico is typing something else. Let me document that. So this is basically what we did with an if statement, but you can do it without. And this here is looking at all true. Very interesting. What's this? I'm glad you liked it. Check every name if they're all a prop of the object. Prop, I guess, is property. We'll return to. So it means check every property of this object and see if it has the property. God damn it, it's too many words, man. It's named every this is function. Okay. No need to spin this over set tomorrow right now. Yep. Yeah. Also, man, it's almost 3 a.m. I started to learn probably 7. I did a 3-hour stream before this. Took 45 minutes off, and this is the second 3-hour stream. And basically, I don't know if you've been here since the start, but this is from the beginning. Like, I don't really take breaks, so my brain's fried right now. Not an excuse, but yeah, this is hurting my brain right now. So check every name and 4 names inside the object, return true. We should all go sleep. Yeah, you're like an hour ahead of me too. It's like 4 a.m. for you. 4 a.m. Yeah, insane. All right. Okay, we're gonna finish this off, man. All right, this is good to go. 85%. How many we got left? Let's see. Man, that one took so long. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I feel like these are gonna be the hardest though. All right, we got 3 left. Let's power through. True. I don't want true. I don't know. It might be easy. Iterate. Iterate through the keys of an object with a for in statement. I'm off. I need 8 hours sleep. All right, man. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of the night. And hopefully see you tomorrow. Sometimes you may need to iterate through all the keys. So for let user in users. Console.log user. What is that? Logs. For our users object, it could look like for I don't even know what the user uses. Okay. We define the variable user. Oh, right, the user. This variable is reset during each iteration to each of the object's keys as a statement loop through the object, resulting in each user's name being printed to the console. Note: objects do not maintain an ordering to stored keys like arrays do. Thus, a key's position on an object. Good night, man. I'm advertising my channel here. Dude, go for it, man. Go for it. I'll probably be live. You're 12? Yeah. I'll probably wake up at 2 o'clock and go straight to work, so I'm not sure. I'll try. Also, don't forget to follow my channel. For users. For users and users, console log user is the same for I0. Huh, interesting. Man, Bert knows how to speak to beginners, man. Do you teach? Like, okay. This is the same as for like interesting. No. Oh no, I'm wrong. This is for object. Forget what I said. Okay. Yes, I was a teaching assistant. Nice. I worked at TA 1 year for Java because University Computer. Awesome, man. No. It would be the same. So this is wrong, huh? It would be the same if users is an array. If it was an array, okay. All right, we're deleting. Didn't exist. It doesn't exist, man. Dude, no need to be sorry, man. I'm learning. At least I learned that is truth. I don't need to delete that. I can just say true if users is an array, right? Cool. I don't know why, but sure. Alright, sometimes you may need to iterate through all keys within an object. This requires a specific syntax in JavaScript. For in a variable logged. How does it know? Okay. Does the key's position on an object with a relative order and it appears as irrelevant? Okay. We've defined a function count online, which accepts one argument, a user's object. Use a foreign statement within this function to loop through the user's object passed into the function. And return the number of users whose online property is set to true. So, okay, 1. An example of user's object which could be passed to come online is shown below. A user will have an online property without either true or false. No, I'm sorry. Do you remember what I've said to you before? I don't know, man. You've said a lot of things. My brain is literally fried right now. It says 6th hour of streaming, 3 in the morning. Like, finding it pretty difficult right now. Gonna sit down for a bit. Don't study. Oh yeah. Man, I need to take more breaks. Yeah, 100%. I still want to finish this today though. We're going functional. But no kidding, my brain just feels like I don't know how to explain it. It's just we got a bunch of new people in the stream. Arad, what's up? Welcome. Jesscat, Takoa, Luminosity, welcome back. How's it going, brother? How's Java treating you? Just watch some other video, something else for 10 minutes. Yeah, I kind of want to go to sleep in 10 minutes. Do some push-ups, get some blood flowing. All right. Yeah, okay. We'll do the 2-hour thing from tomorrow. I need to create like some timers or something so I remember. Maybe there's a bot that will do it for us. Your body also needs some reps, not only your brain. True that. I was standing up the whole time, so I guess that's my just smoke some weed. All right, let's see what's going on here. Is there a bot that I can add to the chat, which is gonna do automatic countdown, like 2 hours and 15-minute break? Yeah, man, we got 17 people in the stream right now. That's the highest I've ever had. Welcome everyone. Watch me struggle to learn to code at 3 in the morning. Okay, cut online. Let user in. Yeah, probably need to make a note of that. For in statement. No. Should be back. Am I back? Take a break. Timer reminder. You are back. Awesome. Yeah. Can you guys hear that beeping at the end or no? Or is this me? You did? Okay. Cool. All right. This looks like an easier implementation. What's the app you sent me? That's for the phone, huh? Oh, no. I don't want to open the App Store right now. Okay. Not bad rating. Cool. All right. So what did we say? 2 hours on, 15 minutes off, or maybe it's an app for Mac. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to enter my password. I will. Whoa. Let's add that to the list. Probably shouldn't be named web dev. Probably need to change it now. Stream to dos. Countdown. Timer. App. On 15 minutes off. I think that's what he said. Come on. Yeah, why doesn't want to open? Even my computer needs a break. Random notes. Yeah. Dude, this doesn't want to open. What the heck? Look at that. Even my computer needs a break. Alright. Cool. We'll leave it closed for now. I can go. Man, we're so close. We need 3 more things. Okay. Count online, users object. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna copy that, right? And then iterate from there. But user would be that. I need to look for user online. So can I do user? Oh, no, user is user object and online, right? Also, don't forget to rate your room down on the coding channel when I close the stream. Yeah, okay. Yeah, last time it was pretty good. User object, what we doing? User object online. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Actually, no. Hang on. Alright, actually, let's test it out. So if I no, you do it in the. Oh, okay. Console log. Right, let's see. Okay. Okay, so we have this object, right? And okay, how do I actually check the that's it? So I'll go users object 0. Man, I should remember this. We did this an hour ago. So if I wanted to select this online, I would go 0 because in the 0th position. 0, 0, no? The point about in and off was pretty spot on, Brett. Which point was that? I think I missed it. Oh, wait. Because it's an object, you can't. It's not an array. I'm thinking it's an array. It's not an array. Dot Allen dot online, I think. And then okay, yeah. So users dot Allen. How do I target online within this? Oh, in quotes. Okay, crap. Okay. So that's how I would do it if I was doing it manually. Capital Allen uses the obj Allen online. Okay. Oh, dot online also works. Boom. Okay. So I need to loop through each of these using the foreign statement and return the number of users online property set to true. Okay, so console log user dot online. What does that do? Okay, hang on. What is user? User is a variable created. User in the variable was reset during each iteration. I can console log the user. In the function body, user is Alan, Jeff, and Sarah. The objects, not the strings. So, okay. So, so user is Alan, then Jeff. So you can try user. You mean user here? Oh, console. In the console log. Okay. I don't know what that is doing. Let. Is it let in? Sorry, foreign. Dude, I'm even spelling things wrong. Foreign. Foreign, not let in. I just read it too. Right. W3 schools, we said it was bad. Nice little loop. Foreign. An object where A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, content property. Oh, we can do the has one property. This. Out.online. So do I have to do like no console log, but like if if it's true? No, that's a Boolean figure, right? That's not a string. For I have no idea. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Else, I don't know, man. Return false. Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah, use a foreign statement within this function to loop through the user's object, passing function, and return the number of users. Return the number of users. And, oh, so I don't need to return the user. I need to return the number. Okay, if that is what I think it is, I don't know if var number equals. I don't know if you can do count plus plus or something. No, I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing, man. Count plus plus something. 10 doesn't like 10. What's going on here? Oh, it needs one more. Oh, do I need an else? Something let's get 4. Iterate through every single user in the user's object. And if the user object uses online is true, number count. Well, I guess count plus. Oh, I remember to select count plus plus. Before the loop. Right. Variable count. Oh, I guess initialize 0. Is that it? I think I'm missing the else somewhere. So if yes. Oh wow. Okay, how else would you solve this? And I'm gonna return outside the loop. 10, 11. Right. Let's see. Right. Help. Get hint. I would remove equals equals true. Triple equals. Look at this, guys. If user online is true. Alright, yeah, they're doing the exact same thing. Result plus plus, return result. So you remove the equal equal, and how would you do it? Just equal? And I'll remove the else. Oh, that all that needs to go away. Because it's not a string, so I don't need to equal it. Or a number. Because it's Boolean, if I just say, is it this, and it's going to automatically think it's true. Bro, these two things are the same. If Omar and if Omar equals true. Ah, okay. Right. That makes kind of obvious when you think about it. True equals true is true, true equals false is false. Right. Wait. Count plus plus, return count. Okay. Awesome. Alright, 90%. We got two more. I literally can't think right now. Alright. Alright, let's do this. We can also generate an array which contains all of the keys stored in an object using the object of keys method. Do what? So if I have object of keys, shouldn't that work? Oh, okay. Oh, passing the object as the argument. Oh, right, okay. Right, okay. Interesting. Consider log object of keys of users. Okay, Finish writing the get array of users function so that it returns an array containing all of the properties in the object. What? Finish writing. Okay. Get array of users function so that it returns an array containing all of the properties in the object as an argument. Isn't it already doing that when what I just did? Alright, whatever. So function return object the keys, and it's gonna pass in the obj. That's undefined. Maybe it needs a variable and return a variable. Return, okay. But do I need a variable for it? What would I return? Not necessarily. So, well, what would I return here? Console log, same thing? So I'm putting it twice. I don't even need that. I'll just go return, like just that. Right, okay. Yeah, I still get tripped up on those like small things like that. But okay. One more to go. Immensely tight. Alright. Later, man. Later. Success could be a tough one. Okay, let's see. There's only 3 things has to pass. Should be easy. Now they've seen all the basic operations for JavaScript objects. Data structure sessions locating coding interview prep. Map and set. Now that you've done the basics of arrays and objects, so fully tackling complex problem, man. I'll be ready to do some complex issues. All right. Damn. Okay. Let's see. Take a look at the object we provided in the code editor. So you've got a user object which has name, age, data has its own thing, and then friends is an array. Wow. I'm back, dude. But I think I may have. I think I'm close to an answer though. This thing might just work. Oh, not name, friend. So user object is going to be the user, which is that. Data friends. User object data friends, and because it's an array, we're going to push. I think this should work. I don't know. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Close. Should return Sam, Kira, Tomo, and P. So what does that to return? Returns 4? What? Add friend. Wait, so what is user dot data dot so it added the P. Sam, Kira, Tomo. Yeah, it added it. What do you mean it doesn't work? Should return it though. Okay. So I think I'm just missing a hey, what's up? Kunker. I think maybe because you put it within the console log. You mean here? Oh, I don't need the return, you mean? Undefined. Okay. Oh, maybe that doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. We're close though. Because in the console here, it did add it. For some reason, when you use the console log, it gives a 4. Maybe you just like do that and then wait. Should return. Oh, that's a push, right? And then maybe return user object dot data the friends. That's what he wants. Hey, there you go. Yes. Oh man, I'm so glad we stuck to it. Okay, cool. Kunker, I don't know how long you've been in the stream, but this is towards the end. But we did it. It's just been a long day. Yeah, I appreciate everyone hanging out, helping me out. Gonna go take a long sleep, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow for sure. We'll continue. So tomorrow, yeah, I need to revisit this. Just like, I don't know, quick 10 minutes. Just make sure I don't forget, and then we're gonna start doing some basic algorithm scripting. Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. But I don't know if you were around. So if you do exclamation and oh crap, dude, I can't even think. What's the word? Complement, and then at. Were you here when we did this? You deserve a hug right now. Compliment with an I. So Denavian, who was in the stream like earlier today, he added this bot. Compliment spelled COMPLIMENT with an exclamation. Or I could do insult. Okay. So if I did that, you can, there's also a game you can play. So if you do, I think it's just bomb. Yeah, try typing in bomb. I don't know if you need exclamation or not. You might need an exclamation. You complimented yourself. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, try typing bomb, exclamation bomb, BOMB. I know I'm fabulous. BOMB. It's missing a B. Oh, there you go, man. Bud has found a bomb. The bomb has 3 wires in it, colored red, blue, and green. Hurry and cut the wire to fuse the bomb, man. Baboon. Whoops. Better luck next time, man. Dude, I died too. I tried it twice and I died both times. Let's try. Let's see if I can pass it this time. Red. Oh, I died too. That's a pretty neat bot. I think, yeah. I think Minesweeper does the same thing. Yeah. Blue. Yes! Successfully snipped the blue wire. I have defused the bomb. Hell yeah. Now I can go to sleep. Nice. Welcome to the afterlife. Yeah. Afterlife, but we're going to learn some functional programming. It's going to be fun. Man, this is insane. I literally streamed like 7 hours today. It's been a fun packed stream. All right. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day, call it a night. Thanks everyone for hanging out again. Appreciate the help. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your night. And hopefully see you all tomorrow. Later, guys. Oh, wait. Omar, are you still here? Omar, he's gone. He's gone, whatever. All right, cool. Yeah, see you all later. He died. Yeah, he didn't defuse the bomb correctly. Yeah, later, man. Bye.